Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Aulia Kamila. Here I will tell you how to use a washing machine. First step, put dirty clothes into the washing tub. Second step, add enough plain water. Third step, add the ring detergent. Fourth step, set a recycle. Fifth step, remove the washing water from the drum. Sixth step, fill waste to rain. Seventh step, remove the rain water from the tub. Eighth step, move the clothes to the dry tub.